This is the Coventry branch library. These little cocoons look like they're plastic or like a stone, and they look like there's little gold. It looks like 24 karat gold on the tips of those little shiny things. It looks so good. And look at these. They collect them and put them in the container so they can start to turn into pupas. This is so close up you can't see it well, but this is so pretty. Oh look, there's a tiny little
So
baby.
we have a copy book on of it on CD, but I haven't actually.
Here's another one. Oh, this is a really good picture. That's really close. Oh. But now there's 4 of them. He's climbing up here, and they said this is milkweed that they put in there. And I guess they get all their water through the plants. Oh, this is so cool, guys. Those are absolutely beautiful. They look like they were sculpted. And I guess they were by Jehovah. Look how many things there are under there. They're under the leaf, and they're big ones.